so it's going to be a warm day again. Okay, I'll send back over to you, Steve, and good morning again to everyone. VK4 SRC, VK2 GJD, over to you.
That's a big signal from Bulahdelah.
Yeah, right there, Gary, not a problem. Someone else come in there, said something, I think might have been Indy. It's not a problem. Just earlier there, mate, nice, beautiful coffee, 5-9 glasses, and no problems whatsoever. I'm not sure whether Eileen can copy. We'll throw it down to and see if she can. VK2 FIVE for SRT. Just from 9 copy on Gary. Morning, Gary, VK2 GJD, VK2 FIVE. Hey, good morning, Eileen. Yeah, good copy on you too. It's about 5-9, so lovely audio, so no problems there. Somebody did say, hello, Gary. I don't know if it was Indy, but I'm picking Indy up pretty well. I don't think you were, Eileen, but I had 5x7, 5x8 on Indy. I was wondering where he was, but yeah, he's good, strong signalling to me. Back over to you, Eileen. Yeah, okay, Gary. Alright, ask him where, if you got a good copy, ask him where he is, over. Yeah, VK2XB mobile, VK2 2JD, do you copy, over?
Oh, I certainly do, and yeah, it was me that said that's a good signal from Bulahdelah. And Eileen just popped back up out of the mud to a good signal from her as well. I'm southbound, just going on the Kidman Way, just going past Collyamberley, or just gone past Collyamberley, down here in the Riverina. And holy dooly, you don't even want to look at what or know about what I can see here in front of me. One hell of a storm. 18 degrees, but woo. Anyway, yeah, good signal there, VK. Oh God, I've forgotten your darn call sign. Oh dear, oh dear. Go ahead, mate.
It's VK2 GJD, Gary and Bulahdelah there. Yeah, you have a good day, mate. Safe travelling, and you can keep the storm down that way. Well, we've had a fair bit of rain up here just recently, so we don't really need any for another week or so, or a few days. Okay, mate, safe one, VK2 GJD. I'll send it back over to Eileen, and I am listening on the side. Yeah, okay, mate. Alright, yeah, no, I had a look at the weather there, Indy. I can see what's coming out there, over.
Yeah, it's just one cell by the look of it, but it's a doozy. It's that horrible looking, reddy, dark, yuck. Yeah, you've popped right up out of the mud. Good signal now, Eileen, over.
Yeah, there's a fairly good sized band of it too, so anyway, hopefully it doesn't turn into anything nasty to where you're heading over, but looks like it might be.
I'm going out through the other side of it, I would presume. And the vehicle's big enough that it shouldn't be adversely affected. But you never know. But yeah, it's extraordinary to look at. I've actually got my GoPro on a head cam running at the moment, trying to videotape it, and I might put that up on YouTube later. Feel like being a YouTube star, do you, Eileen, over?
Oh, sorry, what was the last bit, mate? Go ahead.
I said, do you feel like being a YouTube star? Because I've got the video going at the minute, over.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I sort of lost you a little bit. Yeah, I'm just looking at it, looking at the weather coming across at the moment there, mate. What did you say about a video, over?
Yeah, I said I have my head cam on. I'm doing a video currently, and then I made the facetious comment, do you feel like being a YouTube star, over?
Okay, yeah. I think he put me up on YouTube, me and Aaron, Charlie Mike, VK3 Charlie Mike, has put my voice on YouTube, over.
You might end up there again. Kind of incidental because it's a storm I'm trying to catch. But anyway, I know there's lots of other people out there, Eileen. I won't hold you up, but yeah, it does look pretty ordinary, I can tell you, over.
Alright, all good. Okay, I'll put a little quick call out. It's gone after 6 now. Might be a couple more out there getting out of bed or sitting on the driveway you could call us. Anybody else out there wishing a call in on there? Go ahead, please. VK2FIVE for SRC and others. VK2 Oscar Delta. Good morning, Mr. Bob. VK2 Oscar Delta. VK2FIVE. There's about 4 or 5 stations there on the side. You probably know because you've been listening anyway. VK2 Oscar Delta. Morning, Bob.